Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today, it's weekend. Yeah. So, we have only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku in today's newspaper on February. Yes, it's February. Let me zoom this. February the 20th, 2021. We have here one regular medium Sudoku. There's also a quintuplet, but I've told you I won't do them anymore. Too much time consuming, so only one regular Sudoku I will solve. And this one, let me focus the puzzle. This one will be a number. This one will be number 2, 3, 5, 7. All right, 2, 3, 5, 7. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. We have here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 2 is 8, 10, 13. Plus 5 is 18, 20, 23. Plus 4 is 27. 27 printed digits. So it's a 1-star Sudoku. If you compare with the Sudokus in additional, it's a 1-star. So let's get started. Let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. Here 9, no 9 in that box. 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. Then 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So on the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4. Yes, 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3, 8, 7. Alright. Then 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so on the row below, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So on the row between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, only 3 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4. Then yeah. Then 2, 3. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those numbers are the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 3 in this column. So no 2 and a 3 in this box. So 1 digit left should be the 7. The 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Alright. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Alright. Yeah. Alright. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1. No 1 in those 2 boxes. Here 1, no 1 in that box. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be hit there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in this box. Here also a 3, so no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 5 and 8. 5 and 8. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Alright, so we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 8 and 2 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be a 2, this should be an 8. 1 box left in this row for the number 6. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 2. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the middle row, the row between, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. You see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 boxes left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square should be the 2 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. So we have a 2 in this last column, 2 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the first row, so the row between, the second row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 1 box left. In the second row for the number 3. Alright, so we have a 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there, and I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing in this big square. We see here 5, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5, should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. 8 and 7, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. 1 is missing. Alright, so we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the ones are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. Alright, 1 number left in this third column for the number 7. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be 7 anymore. This box should be a 7, and this should be a 5. 1 box left in this row for the number 8. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. 3 and 8. Need to wait. How about the first column? 3 and 8. But we see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 and the 7. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 boxes left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 7 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this can't be 7 anymore. This should be a 7, and this should be the 8, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. 8 and 6, we have a 6 here, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. All right, great medium Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Yes, later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. See you then. Bye bye for now.